name is Reshu Madan. I am Chief Executive Officer of Global Products and Services Business of Sterlite Power. In this, we are a leading manufacturer of conductor, where we make right from a conventional conductor to the high performance conductors. We also make OPGW, and then we are leading manufacturers of power cable, where we are manufacturing right from a medium voltage 6.6 kV up to 220 kV power cable, and we are supplying it to all the major utilities, industries, metros and other applications in India, and we have a footprint of around 70 countries globally where these products are being exported to all over the world. Before inventing anything, we try to understand the pain point and the need of our customer, and accordingly align ourselves and innovate our products. So if we take example of our power cable business, where we have understood certain needs, certain pain points of what customer need, what is the feeling. So that's why we are now come up with a higher efficient cable, or a cable which can transmit more power. Like in 220 kV, we used to have a cable which can transmit X power. But now in the same cable, in the same dimension, we are coming up with a solution where we can transmit 1.2, 1.3x more power over there. Plus, in cable, we have seen that this fault and all those things has been the major problem of disruption in overall, I will say, the power flow over there. So now we have tied up, or we have a technology to have a predictive maintenance of the cable, so for which we will not be only supplying the cable, we will be providing the solutions along with the cable to all our users, all our utilities, where with the predictive maintenance they can see that what fault or what I will say the problem or the error is going to come in our cable, so that he can take a pre-hand, he can take action and accordingly take action to avoid any disruption or a shortage at that point of time. So this was regarding the cable. And if I talk about our overhead conductors, so overhead conductors, already we have very high performance conductors which transmits 2x the power than the conventional one, which is today the need of our hour, because a lot of our grids are getting congested. So we have a reconducting solution where with the help of carbon core conductor we can transmit 2x power on the same corridor. So it also avoids the problem of right of way and going to the new transmission line. So these are the 2-3 innovative things which our business is having to have a early mover advantage and to solve the problem of the transmission grid as well as the pain point of our customers. See, we have Sterlite Power, under which we had the two businesses. One is the global product and services, and the second business was our developer infrastructure business, where we are developing the transmission assets. So both the business have a different domain and a different type of, I will say, architect. So we are more into products and solutioning, and they are more into the development part of that. So to unlock the potential of both the businesses, that's why it was a need to demerge both the businesses, so that both can be unlocked their potential and grow in their verticals. So the set of investors for both the businesses are also different. So they have one set of investors, we have one set of investors. So whenever you need to attract the investment also into the business, so the investors also look into that. Plus, for the business wise to unlock the potential, this was a necessary step for the company which we have done. Yeah, Eleckrama, see, I am from this industry from almost now maybe 2.5 decades, and this is my 12th Eleckrama. So I have seen Eleckrama growing from one level to this level, and since the industry is growing, and we have seen that this is one of the unprecedented best time for the transmission electrical T&D industry. So all the, I will say, OEMs or the manufacturers or the users, they all are very excited. They have come up in a full-fledged they have demonstrated or they have exhibited best of their products, best of their capabilities, and their overall morale, and I will say the enthusiasm towards this Elecrama is fantastic, fabulous. And I should compliment the whole organizing team of Elecrama, though they are my friends, to have a wonderful arrangement, and also inviting the foreign participation. Foreign participation this year has also increased, which also helps the industry to have a more, I will say, export-oriented focus. So that also has been taken care very well this time. My message to the industry is that we keep on innovating the products and also the solutions at an affordable cost, which can be affordable to the user, and he can have a full advantage of that. And as you know that our company's main value is empowering the humanity by addressing the toughest challenge of the green energy. So this is my message to the industry also, that please keep on innovating and providing your best solutions to the industry to have the clean energy challenge best in the place, and we should have 500 gigawatt of this ambition to be completed by 2030. Thank you.